In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your Capcut video on an iPhone. Saving your masterpiece after spending all that time editing is crucial, so let's walk through these steps together to make sure your video is saved swiftly and efficiently. First things first, make sure you've completed all your edits in Capcut. Double check your video so everything is perfect to your liking. Once you are satisfied and ready to save your work, you'll need to locate the export button. Generally, you'll find this button situated at the top right corner of your screen. It might display as an arrow facing up, or it could simply be a button labeled with the word export. Give it a tap to proceed. Now here's where you can customize the quality of your saved video. You'll need to select your desired resolution and frame rate. This step is quite straightforward. Higher resolution and frame rate settings will deliver better video quality, although keep in mind doing so may increase the file size, which could take up more space on your device. Choose what works best for your needs and is most compatible with your storage capacity. Once you're happy with your settings, it's time for the final stretch. Tap the export button again. This will initiate the saving process. Depending on the length and complexity of your video, this might take a few moments, so don't worry if things aren't immediate. It's crucial to leave the app open and not switch to another task during this time to prevent any interruptions during the export. As the export continues, you'll notice a progress bar indicating how long the process will take. Patience is key here. Once the bar hits 100%, you'll get a message or notification that the export is complete. Your video has officially been saved. Finally, navigate to your device's gallery or camera roll to find the finished product. In most devices, this is where the video should automatically be saved. Here you can play it back to admire your work or share it with friends, family, or on your favorite social media platforms. That's all there is to it. Following these steps will ensure your Capcut video is saved efficiently and ready for viewing. Thanks for tuning in and happy editing.